All right, excited about today. I am actually taking a computer case that had just the regular metal outside, you know, maybe a couple of holes for ventilation, and I'm going to turn it into one that has a you know, kind of a tempered glass side. I'm going to use acrylic, but it looks similar to the computers that have tempered glass sides. So yeah, let's get started. Then hope you can enjoy the process. All right, she's all done. Got it, you know, painted up, marked out, put on, and the lights are looking great. I never done one of these before, and I hope to do another one. I think I'm going to do a full computer case build next time with some maybe some steampunk theme. So hopefully I get that on soon. And you know, thanks for watching.